What's up, guys? I'm in my car and this is gonna be a simple video today. It's not gonna be a vlog. This is fading right here, so the white is kind of fading and the blue is still there. So a simple mod to fix this, and you'll probably laugh, is to put the red back. We're just gonna take a red Sharpie and we're gonna put it back, and at least it still kind of looks like it's there, but old cars, it starts to fade. But just a simple red Sharpie fix it. So yeah, it's kind of stupid, but it works. And looks a whole lot better to look at. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Peace and have a good day.